Hi, I'm Alex. What's your name?
Nice to meet you, Alex. I'm Jordan.
Where are you from?
I'm from Seattle. How about you?
What are you studying?
I'm majoring in psychology.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yeah, I love playing the guitar.
What kind of music do you like?
I'm into indie rock mostly.
Have you lived with a roommate before?
No, this is my first time.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I like to explore the city or go hiking.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
Definitely a night owl.
Do you like to cook?
I'm not the best cook.
What's your favorite food?
I love Mexican cuisine. Tacos are the best.
Do you have any allergies I should know about?
Not that I know of. Do you?
How do you feel about sharing food?
I'm okay with it as long as we ask each other first.
What TV shows are you into right now?
I've been binge watching The Office.
Are you into sports?
Yes, I follow basketball closely.
What's your idea of a fun night out?
I enjoy going to concerts or trying new restaurants.
Do you have a significant other?
Not at the moment.
How do you handle stress?
I usually go for a run or meditate.
What's your policy on having friends over?
I'm fine with it as long as we give each other a heads up.
Do you drink coffee or tea in the morning?
Coffee is my lifeline.
Are you planning to work while studying?
Yes, I have a part-time job lined up.
What do you think about setting a cleaning schedule?
That sounds like a good idea. Let's do that.
Do you use public transport here?
No, I don't.
So, you have a car here?
Yes, I brought a car. Need a ride somewhere.
What do you do to relax?
I read or play video games.
Are you an animal lover?
Yes, I miss my dog back home.
How do you feel about sharing chores?
I believe in splitting them equally.
Do you like to party?
Occasionally, but I'm more of a chill hangout person.
Do you enjoy any outdoor activities?
Yes, I love hiking. How about you?
What's your favorite genre of movies?
I'm a big fan of thrillers.
How do you usually spend your free time?
I like to draw and paint. It's relaxing.
Do you follow any particular diet?
I'm vegetarian.
What's your favorite thing to do in the city?
I love checking out local coffee shops.
How often do you clean your room?
I tidy up once a week. I like to keep things neat.
Do you need complete silence when you study?
Not really. Some background music is fine.
Are you allergic to anything?
No, thankfully. Do you have any allergies?
What's your favorite season and why?
Fall, because of the cool weather.
Do you have a favorite place to study?
I usually study at my desk, but sometimes I go to the library.
What's your go-to comfort food?
Mac and cheese. It never fails.
Do you prefer to keep the window open or closed?
Open? I like fresh air. Is that okay with you?
How do you feel about overnight guests?
I'm fine with it as long as it's not too often.
What's your favorite way to start the day?
A good workout always energizes me.
Do you have any favorite podcasts or radio shows?
I'm into true crime podcasts lately.
What's your favorite board game?
I love playing Monopoly.
Do you have a favorite author or book?
J.K. Rowling has always been a favorite of mine.
How do you deal with disagreements?
I believe in open communication and compromise.
What's your favorite type of workout?
I'm into yoga and Pilates.
Do you have a favorite YouTube channel?
Yes, I follow a few travel vloggers.
What's your favorite thing to do on a lazy day?
Just lounging around and watching Netflix.
Do you like to decorate your space?
Yes, I enjoy adding personal touches to my room.
How do you feel about sharing household items?
I'm okay with it.
Do you play any video games?
Occasionally, I'm pretty good at racing games.
What's your favorite memory from childhood?
Family camping trips were always special.
Do you enjoy going to the theater or concerts?
Yes, live performances are amazing.
What's your favorite thing to bake?
I make some mean chocolate chip cookies.
Do you have a favorite holiday tradition?
Decorating the Christmas tree with my family.
How do you like to celebrate your birthday?
I usually keep it low-key, maybe dinner with friends.
What's your favorite type of weather?
I love a sunny day with a light breeze.
Do you have any plans for the upcoming holidays?
Not yet. I'm still figuring it out. What about you?
What's your favorite way to unwind after a long day?
Taking a long walk helps me relax.
Do you have a favorite local restaurant or bar?
There's this great sushi place I go to often.
What's your favorite thing about college life?
The opportunity to meet new people.
Do you prefer baths or showers?
Showers, they're quicker and more refreshing.
What's your favorite ice cream flavor?
Mint chocolate chip, hands down.
Do you have a favorite quote that inspires you?
Life is 10% what happens to us and 90% how we react to it.
What's your favorite app for staying organized?
I use Trello to keep track of my tasks.
Do you have a favorite place you've traveled to?
I loved visiting Paris. It's such a beautiful city.
What's your favorite way to get around town?
I prefer biking. It's good exercise and eco-friendly.
Do you have a favorite plant or flower?
I'm a fan of succulents. They're easy to care for.
What's your favorite thing to do with friends?
Going to trivia nights is always fun.
Do you have a favorite type of tea or coffee?
I'm a big fan of green tea.
What's your favorite thing about our dorm or apartment?
I love the view from our window.
Do you have a favorite childhood TV show?
SpongeBob SquarePants was my go-to show.
What's your favorite way to stay in touch with family?
Video calls make it feel like I'm right there with them.
Do you have a favorite piece of clothing?
My comfy hoodie. It's perfect for any occasion.
What's your favorite type of exercise?
I enjoy swimming. It's a great full-body workout.
Do you have a favorite museum or art gallery?
The Modern Art Museum downtown is incredible.
What's your favorite thing to do on a sunny day?
I love to go for a picnic in the park.
Do you have a favorite way to stay fit?
I mix it up with different classes at the gym.
What's your favorite thing about our campus?
The green spaces are great for relaxing between classes.
Do you have a favorite study snack?
Granola bars are my go-to.
What's your favorite thing about living with someone else?
It's nice to have company and someone to talk to.
Do you have a favorite way to spend a study break?
I like to do a quick meditation to clear my mind.
What's your favorite thing to do when you're feeling homesick?
Calling my family always helps.
Do you have a favorite type of candy?
I can never say no to gummy bears.
What's your favorite thing about our neighborhood?
It's really peaceful and safe.
Do you have a favorite way to celebrate achievements?
I treat myself to a nice meal or a new book.
What's your favorite thing to do on a cold day?
Wrapping up in a blanket with a hot drink and a movie.
Do you have a favorite way to make new friends?
Joining clubs has been a great way to meet people.
What's your favorite thing about the new semester?
The chance to learn new things and challenge myself.
Do you have a favorite way to relax before exams?
I like to review my notes and then take a long bath.
What's your favorite thing about being a student?
The sense of community and shared experiences.
Do you have a favorite way to deal with a tough day?
Talking it out with friends usually helps.
What's your favorite thing about our room?
The natural light makes it feel so welcoming.
Do you have a favorite way to save money as a student?
I look for student discounts wherever I can.
What's your favorite thing to do for self-care?
A face mask and some quiet time does wonders.
Do you have a favorite way to stay motivated?
Setting small, achievable goals keeps me going.
What's your favorite thing about the weekend?
I love sleeping in on the weekend.